Welcome to Module 12 of Amudhakumar's online digital marketing course. Blogging course. 1. Introduction to blogging. Explore blogging's concept, benefits, and different types. 2. Choosing a niche. Select a niche based on interests, expertise, and target audience. 3. Setting up a blog. Follow step-by-step instructions to set up a blog using WordPress, Blogger, or Squarespace. 4. Content planning and strategy. Develop a plan, define the target audience, create an editorial calendar, and set goals. 5. Writing compelling blog posts. Learn techniques for crafting engaging, informative, and well-structured posts. 6. SEO for bloggers. Understand basic SEO to optimize posts for search engine visibility. 7. Blog design and branding. Explore design principles for an appealing layout and effective branding. 8. Visual content creation. Create visually appealing graphics, images, and infographics for enhanced impact. 9. Blog monetization strategies. Explore methods like advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. 10. Building an email list. Understand the importance of email marketing and strategies to grow a loyal subscriber list. 11. Social media for blog promotion. Utilize social media platforms to promote the blog, increase traffic, and engage with the audience. 12. Guest blogging and collaboration. Expand reach through guest blogging and collaboration within the niche. 13. Blog analytics and tracking. Use tools like Google Analytics to track traffic, user behavior, and key performance indicators. 14. Engaging with readers. Develop strategies to interact, respond to comments, and build a blog community. 15. Blogging ethics and legal considerations. Understand ethical practices, address copyright, plagiarism, and comply with disclosure and privacy policies. For course application and read the full article, check the link in description.